Hello everyone, my name is Daniel and I am the owner of Kura Home. Typically in this section we have a note from Daniel and just want to try something a little bit different this month and put a video in. So first things first, exciting news for us. We've sold 3 licenses so far this year, and Rick from Maine was here last week training with us, and Oliver from Tennessee is coming up here the coming week, and really excited to train these guys in. When I think back to things that really bring joy for me, coaching and mentoring is really high up on that list. And so it's really filling a lot of our buckets here at Kura Home just to watch all of our licensees grow and become more and more successful by adding on reoccurring routine maintenance visits and air duct cleaning to their current home services businesses. So we now have 7 licensees operating throughout the U.S., adding recurring revenue and reoccurring routine maintenance to their businesses, and it's really rewarding. This month, we really want to focus on the safety of dryer vents and just to educate our clients and people who are on our newsletter of the importance of the dryer vent. And it can kind of be broken down into 3 areas. First is the actual dryer, the machine that's inside your home. If you ever smell a burning smell coming when you're doing laundry, it's coming from the dryer, and you need the interior part of your dryer cleaned out by a professional company. So make sure you're having that done. The second part that goes into the dryer vent system is the transient duct, and that's connecting your dryer to the wall. So that's usually like an accordion looking foil duct, and you want that to not be smashed. So look behind your dryer, make sure that transient duct is not smashed. And the third part is your actual dryer vent that goes from the outside of your home all the way to the inside of your home, and is with your house. So if you took off that transient duct, that dryer vent is what you're seeing, and that should be cleaned per manufacturer's recommendations once a year. So if it's taking you several laundry cycles to dry your clothes, you really want to make sure that you're having that cleaned by a professional company, and here at Kura Home we'd be happy to get that done for you. Other than that, things are going really well. We're coming up on 8 years in business. It's been I would say up and down, always fun to grow as a business owner, and we're having a lot of fun. Really excited for the upcoming year. The spring market is always really busy for us. So if you're thinking about getting your air ducts clean, your dryer vent clean, you're signing up for routine maintenance, right now we're only booked out a few days, where at times we do get booked out weeks in the spring and fall. So now is a great time to give us a call if you're thinking about having any services done at your home. For air duct cleaning, people are always calling us after they have a new baby, they have a new furnace, a new construction project, they bought a new home. It's been either 3 or 4 years since you've had your air ducts cleaned, or there's simply just dust piling up. Maybe you see it when the sun is shining in, or it's on your nightstand. Great times to get your air ducts cleaned. As always, you can respond to this newsletter, reach us at kurahome.com, and of course, you should always be following us on social media to see all the fun, nasty stuff we find in homes. Thank you very much for watching this month's newsletter video.